Teacher Selena! Teacher Marie! We are RRT!
So we miss you so much and we hope that you've been keeping busy and creative and making as many crafts as you can and what else? And
Stop.
Okay.
Wait too long. Shall we start our art now? I want to start
Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw bunny rabbit. It's so easy. You only need 6 oval shapes to draw bunny rabbit. Only from 6 simple oval shapes, you can draw bunny rabbit by yourself. Before we start, don't forget to grab your pencil or marker. Okay, we're going to start from the oval number 1. Oval number 1, you draw it in the middle. Big oval. Oval number 1. Now oval number 2, we draw it smaller over here. Big, small. Oval number 2. Now oval number 3, we put it over here. Oval number 3. Now oval number 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now oval number 5, we put it in front of here. Oval number 6, the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last one, we can put it over here. Okay, now this is how to draw bunny rabbit. We can decorate it with fluffy tail. And number 2 over here for the tide. And then the eyes. And the nose. This is your bunny rabbit out of 6 oval shapes. Just with 6 oval shapes. You can decorate more. The ears, another oval shape. You can make it more detailed. Or you can fit the bunny with carrot. It's also another oval shape. Now you know how to draw bunny rabbit only with 6 oval shapes. You can try it at home.
Thank you for watching!
Get creative!
And don't forget to post your artwork on